Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to a brand new tutorial. In this Photoshop tutorial I will show you the knockout test effect like this. Okay, let's jump into Photoshop. First you want to select a background image. For that go to file and open, then hit on open. Okay, our background is ready. Then we want to create a shape. Here I am creating a rectangle. For that go to here, select rectangle tool, then check the stroke is none. For that go to here and click the first one. Then simply choose a color. Then draw a shape. Then we want to type our text. For that take the test tool and type your test and resize it using Ctrl key or Command T. Then we want to apply the knockout effect. For that go to the test layer, choose the blending options. Here you can see the knockout effect is null. Change this to deep. Here you can see nothing is happened here. For make it possible, go to fill opacity and make it 0. Okay, perfect. Then select the first two layers and create a group. Okay, here we get a perfect knockout effect. Look at this. Wow, it's awesome. Then place the test where you need. I hope you guys enjoyed our small Photoshop tutorial. We can see in our next video. Goodbye.